Hey guys, it's Brian. We're back here in the garage with the Frostbite JL, and today we're going over some of the new upgrades I got for the Jeep. Let's go take a look. Okay guys, this is going to be some of the new upgrades we got for the Jeep. First off, we're going to go over communications. We got some GMRS radios from Midland. We ended up getting their little handheld ones. These are going to be the 1030s, the GXTs. I've been trying these out the last few times I went off-roading, and they actually do work really good. They're good for up to a mile or two. And then I also got this in Jeep unit. This one's going to be pretty nice. It's 15 watts. It's GMRS as well. This will help us reach a little bit farther. This one's going to be model MXT 275. And then I also, with that, I got their little 3 decimal gain ghost antenna. And I'm going to be mounting that with Rugged Radio's A-pillar mount. This thing's pretty sweet. So we'll have that up on the cowl area. And then also picked up a 6-meter cable from them. That way we can get this all set up in the Jeep. So I'll be installing that soon. Like I said, I've been happy with these off-road so far. I've tested them out the last couple of times and they work really good. So let's go on ahead and look at what else we got. All right, so to go along with our in the Jeep radio here, I went ahead and got a Topsy Protec mic mount. This is gonna be pretty cool. This is gonna mount it just to the right-hand side of the infotainment system in there. So I'll have a place to hang the receiver here, so that'll be nice. All right guys, so we got some stuff to go ahead and beef up the Jeep as well. First off, I got the new Synergy Manufacturing. This is going to be their updated sector shaft nut. We do already have their track bar and sector shaft brace on there. This new one's got little washers or rubber O-rings on there to retain the grease, so it won't be drying out as quick. So that's going to be a must. And then also let's take a look at what we got over here. All right guys, so we went ahead and got some new ball joints. So I'm looking forward to these. These are going to be the Spicer HD ball joints. So these are made by the same company that makes your factory axle. And then these HD ball joints, they are greasable and they do have metal internals instead of plastic internals. So they should last quite a bit longer. My axle's got about 20,000 miles on them and the ball joints were pretty floppy when I put it in. Also, I had my C-gussets welded on with them in there. That might have toasted them a little quicker too. So we'll be updating those for you, and that should get rid of the little bump steer that we've been having. And then lastly, for protection, let's come over here and take a look at the skids. All right guys, and as far as protection goes, we went ahead and got some skids for the rear lower control arms and shock mounts. These are from EVO Manufacturing. These are their Protec Skids. I did install something similar from Artec on my brother-in-law's Rubicon, if you watched that video. Those turned out pretty nice. I definitely liked them. The thing I like about these EVO ones is they have a little ramp in the back for the shock mount, the lower shock mount. And I do have quite a bit of rust from scraping there on my Jeep already, so this should give us some added protection. So I'm looking forward to getting these on. And then lastly, something pretty cool that I picked up recently was a fire extinguisher. Believe it or not, this is a fire extinguisher. If you guys have never seen these before, they're from Element, and they're pretty cool. So this one in particular is an A, B, C, and K, so it does grease fires as well. And then it's also gonna have no powder or anything to it, so it's not going to ruin your engine bay, your sensors and whatnot if you do end up using it. And this little guy actually lasts about 5 times longer than a standard fire extinguisher, and it works out pretty good. I just throw this under my driver's seat and I'm ready to go. So these are pretty cool. Definitely a safety thing and good to have, especially when you're on the trail. You could even have that in your kitchen. Alright guys, these are going to be all the installs that we do on the Jeep coming up here. I'm going to do a video on the installs on all these, so you guys want to make sure you're subscribed. And then go ahead and like the video, follow along, and then leave a comment down below. Let me know which one of these products you'd like to have in your Jeep, or if you have them already. Alright guys, until the next video, take care.